Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have the JN015 air pump. So this one here is an air pump, and I have a bike with a ridiculously flat tire. So we're gonna give this thing a try. This one has a Presta valve, so hopefully there's some sort of an adapter for that or it'll work. Let's see. Let's open this up. Here. It says tire inflatable up to 150 PSI. So this bike here isn't gonna be anywhere near that, but I have another bike that is a road bike that gets it to about 110, so I'm never gonna use that high. Look at this case it comes with. This is sweet, this is really nice. So it comes with this case, and inside the case we have the apparatus here with its little peel cover. Ooh, look how satisfying it is. It's gonna have a light on the end there. Got the charger here, I guess that'll be the adapter here. If I wanna charge it from the car, I can just plug it into the car, the cigarette lighter there. It has a USB out, that's kind of nice, so I could charge my phone with that as well. And then it has a USB-C that I can use to charge it if I want to just charge it from inside my car with the USB or charge it from something else. So there we go, so those are those. We have looks like this is the light button. Let's see, how do we do that? Probably have to turn it on. So here is the power, there is on. There we can see we have a flashlight. It flashes red. I guess for an emergency you can use that. Right here it's set for 36 PSI, but I'll show you what else we get in here. So we have this is gonna be the little hose that'll do it, and that's for the Schrader valve, but it comes with a little adapter kit here. So let's see what we got in here. So it comes with an extra fuse, I guess handy if you have that somewhere in there, probably for the cigarette plug. We have two different types of inflators for inflating things. We have the tire, not the tire, this is the basketball kind of one. And then we have the adapter for the Presta valve. So the way I would do this Presta valve is open it up all the way first. And you see there's a little bit of air coming out of there, not much. And then I'll screw this little adapter piece on. Okay, and then this I have to screw onto the little device here. So here we go. So, and we are set at 36, it says right now. So I'll leave it on that, but I don't think I'll let it go that high. And then I'll just put this on, and then it's working. So there we go. So let's see how we do. We are at 0. You guys can see it from there. Oh, it is getting harder. Hopefully it'll start registering. Here we go. 4.5. I'll go like to 25 maybe or so. Well, it says it goes hard. I don't have it put on PSI. It looks like the battery's low, so I'm going to need to charge this thing here shortly. But there we go. We are hard now. I'm going to stop it. So there we go. So we have gotten it up to 20. What did it say? 29? It was like 29. I missed it, but there we go. So now we have it full up of air. I'll take off my little adapter piece. You can see this bike's a little old, hasn't been driven in a while. And then I'll tighten up the little valve here, and there we go. We are ready to go. We have a nice strong tire now. So there we go. We filled up our tire, so we're ready to go biking. Very cool. Thumbs up for this one here. It'll work on a car, it'll work on anything. So it's really great.